Painit tayo, si Butch Maniego ay nanggaling po kanina sa... Uy, magandang banat ito Kapayaan mo natin yung save out.
Oh, nakamaong kayo hindi katulad yung isang araw, naka-block kayo kaya tayo natalo. Ngayon nakamaong kayo, mananalo kami. Let's go Ryu Chino!
Okay, Dr. J, offense biggest lead para sa kupunan ng Gordon Season 11.
It's run. Dahil yung dalawang misses, malaking bagay yun. Now he shoots another 3-point shot and he makes it.
Bakit? Bakit? Bakit doon nakakashoot ka sa free throw line? Walang bantay, hindi ka makashoot. Dr. J, mukhang
Conference
nagpas na
side?
siya sa kanyang career.
9.
9. All from the 3-point line and Dudut Jaworski on fire from the 3-point line. At tumitigil sila sa table officials. Ito si Dudut Jaworski has 9 career high points. 3 of 3 from the 3-point line. It is not counted, so the final score is 29-14. It's the product of UST and Sonny Jaworski, I think, ready to make another early appearance. Oh, seriously, Ito, Sonny Jaworski now making his entry. Sonny Jaworski appearing in his 20-some championship game dito sa kanyang paglalaro. Hindi lamang as a player but also as a coach, si Sonny Jaworski.
Aware of the time. Ayan na naman, muntik na naman na agawan si Val David.
Ito si Hison from a behind the back pass to Jaworski. Bothered by the presence of Dindo Pomare. Jaworski taking his own version of a 3-point shot. Mas magaling na yung anak niya sa kanya ngayon. Tira sa gilid, wala. Rebound battle. Nandito si Jericho Diniera, sinakyan. And Sonny Jaworski coming up with the rebound. Baseball pass. Nakuha ni Marlo Aquino. Inilay up ni Sonny Jaworski. Just the second straight time. Jaworski yung isang paraan to break the press. Those baseball passes. Sonny Jaworski with the layup. Doon naman mas magaling yung anak doon sa tatay. Yung tatay sa anak.
Hindi siya mananalo sa barreling drive ni Big J. Pure food. I mean, look at Sasuma forcing. What a nice pass. Terrific. Wrap around pass.
And Sonny Jaworski showing us why he leads the league in assists. Again, Sonny Jaworski with a baseball pass. Fielded ni Marlo Aquino. Si Sonny Jaworski yata quarterback sa unang buhay niya So, minute and 23 left, first half. Sonny Jaworski, ang pasa niya kay Marlo Aquino, almost another assist. Yun daw championship ng Gordon sa third conference against Alaska. They should have learned a lot of lessons. Ito pasa ni Sonny Jaworski!
Yeah.